show you. Today again I'm going to show you spike killer indicator system front refuel live in market. As you guys can see here, the boom 300 index is open, the signal is just appeared, open the trade. Now let's wait for spike. The stop loss will be 4 candles. Okay, bye. Waiting for a spike. Once the spike appears, we're gonna close in profit. If after 4 candles there's no spike, we're gonna close in loss. The indicator will never give always signal, but when the signal appears, it give accurate signal. So keep watching, guys. The stop loss is 3 candles, as you guys can see here. The market is moving downward. It's boom 300. We did many live sessions using this system, live trading sessions. You guys can check on our YouTube channel. The link of videos I will put in description. If you want to have this tool with 4 stop loss candles, you guys can check the description and chat with our team. The guys here for help you. You open the next trade, multiple trades holding this on boom 300. Second candle is formation. I will just wait for a spike. Once the spike appears, we're gonna close in profit in front of you guys. Let's wait for the spike. Then sure the spike will appear very soon. So holding this trade for a spike, guys. Keep watching the video, hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends. We also do the system based VIP signal. If you guys interested, check the description, chat with us. The team is available 24/7. The guys will help you to join the VIP, follow the system, accurate boom and crash, milking, strategy based signal, system based signal. So keep watching, guys. Waiting for a spike. Gonna play the music, watch the video, enjoy the spike. Thanks for watching.